I'm always very interested in the way that national narratives are created. So at the same time that we're talking about creating an America for everyone, it became very clear that to achieve that, it had to delineate out who the people were, and then of course, who the people were not. I'll be giving a talk titled Japanese Incarceration and the Politics of Dreaming. People have been trying to figure out how to reconcile the fact that we're the largest incarcerating country in the entire world, with also the notion that we preach these foundational values of liberty and freedom. In order to understand how we got to this point, I think it's important to draw our eye back to other eras. And so in this lecture, I'll be focusing on the time of Japanese incarceration, where a dream of developing a welfare state was intimately intertwined with this dream of also incarcerating and controlling American citizens of Japanese ancestry. I think it's going to be a fascinating lecture, and I hope you can join me then.